Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. I just got this gas stove cover by Mount Walker, and honestly, it's been such a game changer in my kitchen. First off, the size is amazing. It's 29 by 22 inches, so it covers my stove completely and gives me tons of extra counter space. So if you're like me and always wish you had more prep room, this is such a lifesaver. The bamboo cutting board is really sturdy and durable. I love that it has handles, so it's super easy to move around when I'm prepping meals. And the best part is the adjustable legs. You can set it to fit both gas and electric stove, which is perfect if you have a slightly uneven surface or wanted to sit just right over your burners. I've also been using it as a little mini bar on my counter, and it's amazing. Plus, if you have an RV or small kitchen, this is perfect for adding extra prep space without taking up permanent room. It feels high quality and looks really sleek. Bamboo always adds that warm, natural touch to any kitchen. So, if you want something practical, stylish, and super functional, this is definitely worth checking out. And that's my point of view.